All right, I am going to really quickly talk you through this flashcard assignment. So you have this page that has your list of your characters that you need to include on your flashcards. Please make sure that you only do the ones that are for today. Um, we might not get to all of these myths, so we might not get to all of these characters. And I don't want you to do extra work that you don't need to do. So I know that some of you like to work ahead, but I will always highlight with the date and the characters that we're doing for that day. So you just have these 7 that you're going to be doing for today. So this list will be posted in your module, and it will always be posted in your announcement when you're adding to it. And then you will have this mythology flashcard slideshow that you're going to make a copy of. You'll put your name here and you will title it your name, mythology flashcards. That way you can always find it and you don't have to search every time that you go back to this, because we're not going to turn it in until the very end of the unit. So you don't want to have to restart it every time, okay? You also don't want to wait until the very end to do this, because it will be probably about 50 characters, and that's going to take a lot of work if you wait until the last minute. So how you're going to set this up as a flashcard is on the even numbered slides, you're going to put your kind of clue. So you're going to insert a symbol to represent your character. Okay, that cannot be like a drawing of the character or like a statue of the character, right? Because that's a little too obvious. Okay, so if you have Zeus, you're not going to put a statue of Zeus, okay, because that's not really helping you actually connect the symbols. Remember that a symbol is one thing that represents something else, right? Like the mockingbird represented Tom Robinson, represented Boo Radley in To Kill a Mockingbird. Then you're going to write at least 2 sentences describing the character and his or her relationship to the other characters. Those don't necessarily need to be complete sentences. They can be bullet points, what have you. And then on your odd numbered slides, you're going to put the character's actual name. So that way, when you present the slide, you can present the slideshow to yourself and click through it, and you'll be able to quiz yourself like you would with a flashcard. Now, I think that the easiest thing to do so that you can get this set up on all of your slides is you hold down the shift key, click on slide 2, click on slide 3, and then let go of the shift key and do a right click, which is 2-finger click, and say duplicate slides. And then that way you'll have the same kind of formatting for each slide. You would obviously want to take like this stuff out and erase what I have written here, but it would kind of remind you what you need to put down. So I'm going to give you an example of the 100-handed giants who you read about in the myth of Uranus. So 100-handed giants is my character title. I'm going to write a couple of things about them. I'm going to say that they are triplets, and I'm going to say that they have 100 arms and 50 heads each. Okay, now for a symbol for them, it says that they are very strong. So maybe I'm going to do like a muscle. I'm just going to hit search the web, muscle clip art. Okay, I'm just going to pull this one in, first one I saw. You can be more creative than that. And maybe I'm just going to copy and paste it several times, since they had, 100 different arms each. Okay, now how I can use this then to review is I can run it as a slideshow. And as I'm going through, I can say, okay, triplets born, have 100 arms and 50 heads each. Okay, that's 100-handed giants. And then I can click, cool, I was correct. And then I can move on to the next one. So not only is this an assignment, but it's also going to be a way to help you memorize these gods, goddesses, and other characters from mythology, which will help you to review for the tests that we have in this unit, and will also help you later on when we are reading the Odyssey, and then even further in 4th quarter when we're reading Romeo and Juliet. I'm so sorry that I'm still not in. If you have questions, please email me at any time and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks, guys.